Mazatlan was founded by the Spanish in 1531. The name means land of deer in ancient Aztec. Mazatlan is a popular cruise destination. It's about 230 miles east of Cabo San Lucas. We're going to explore some of the best sites here. We took an NCL excursion on a topless bus tour. This tour takes you to a beautiful cathedral, and you have about 15 minutes to walk around and go inside this ornate Baroque-style cathedral that was built between 1856 and 1899. Next, we stopped to watch the famous cliff divers. They dive from a platform 45 feet into the shallow, rocky Pacific Ocean for tips. Then we drove along this massive seawall. It's a beach promenade called Malecón. It's 13 miles long, making it one of the longest oceanfront boardwalks in the world. They let us explore on our own for about an hour, just north of here in the resort zone. We walked along the beach and stopped for some tasty beers and oysters at Joe's Oyster Bar. Pacifico Brewery was founded in Mazatlan by German settlers in 1900. The brewery is near the cruise port. The cruise port is also a busy shipping port, so they provide a free shuttle to take you to a little shopping area at the entrance. They have souvenir shops, food, and drinks. There are also people selling tours, and once you get outside the entrance, you'll meet lots of drivers offering rides in their pulmonas, cute open-air golf cart taxis. If you want to explore on your own, it's pretty easy. Just follow the blue line to the Plaza Machado. That's the heart of the historic old town of Mazatlan. With a tree-lined square established in 1837, they have restaurants, art galleries, and an opera house. They have festivals, events, and live music here. The restaurants are overpriced for the tourists. We met some locals who told us about their favorite place for tacos. It's 2 blocks down Constitution, called Jimmy's Tacos and Grill. It's a modest place. You get beers from the store across the street. They have delicious grilled tuna tacos. Prices are great, like $2 or $3 for a taco. This is a charming little town. At the harbor entrance is El Creston Hill. Perched on top is El Faro Lighthouse. It stands 523 feet above sea level, making it one of the highest operating lighthouses on Earth. You can hike out to the lighthouse. The sunsets are amazing. Enjoy your trip to Mazatlan. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!